Today I'm going to show you how to play variants on chess.com quickly and easily. If you want to try fun modes like Fog of War 4, Player Chess, or other creative versions of the game, this feature is exactly what you need. I'll walk you through where to find the variants lobby and how to start a game in seconds. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple chess tutorials. First, open chess.com and look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several icons. Move your mouse over the play icon, which looks like a pawn piece. When you hover over it, a small menu will appear showing different play options. From this menu, click on Variants. This will open the dedicated variants lobby where chess.com keeps all of its special game modes. Now look to the right side of the screen and scroll through the list of available variants. You'll find popular options like Fog of War 4 Player Chess and many others. When you see one you want to try, simply click on that variant. After selecting the variant, you'll see a green play button. Click the play button and chess.com will automatically find you a random opponent so the game can start right away. And that's it. You're now ready to explore and enjoy the different chess variants available on chess.com. If this quick guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy chess tutorials.